Did you know some of the foods you trust the most could actually be harming your health? Granola bars with more sugar than candy, fruit juices with no fiber but all the sugar, and even diet sodas tricking your body into cravings. What's worse? These so-called healthy foods are hiding in plain sight, marketed as good for you. Stick around because I'm exposing the top 9 healthy foods that might secretly be ruining your health. You'll never look at your grocery list the same way again. In today's world, the concept of healthy eating has taken center stage as people strive for better lifestyles, improved fitness, and overall well-being. While many foods are marketed as healthy, they may not be as beneficial as they seem. In fact, some of these health foods can be downright harmful, loaded with hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial additives that sabotage your health goals. In this comprehensive article, we'll uncover the truth behind the top 9 most harmful foods often mistaken as healthy. 1. Granola and granola bars. Granola is often marketed as the quintessential healthy breakfast or snack. Advertisements highlight its natural ingredients like oats, nuts, and dried fruits, making it seem like a nutritious choice. However, granola can be a sugar-laden calorie bomb. Why it's harmful? Added sugars. Most store-bought granolas and granola bars are loaded with high amounts of sugar, syrups, or sweeteners. A single serving can contain as much sugar as a candy bar. High in calories, packed with oils and sweeteners, granola often exceeds the caloric needs of a typical breakfast. Low nutrient density. Despite its calories, granola doesn't always provide essential nutrients unless fortified. Healthier alternatives. Choose unsweetened homemade granola made with oats, seeds, and minimal natural sweeteners like honey. Pair it with unsweetened yogurt or fresh fruit. 2. Flavored yogurts. Yogurt is widely celebrated for its probiotics and calcium content. While plain yogurt is indeed healthy, flavored yogurts are a different story. These seemingly healthy snacks are often packed with added sugars and artificial flavors. Why it's harmful? Hidden sugars. A single serving of flavored yogurt can contain 15 to 20 grams of sugar, which is equivalent to 4 to 5 teaspoons. Artificial ingredients. Many flavored yogurts contain artificial sweeteners, colors, and thickeners. Misleading serving sizes. The portion sizes are often smaller than you think, encouraging overconsumption of sugars. Healthier alternatives. Opt for plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt and add fresh fruits, a drizzle of honey, or a sprinkle of cinnamon for flavor. 3. Packaged fruit juices. Fruit juices are often promoted as a convenient way to consume your daily servings of fruits. However, the reality is that most packaged fruit juices are far from healthy. Why it's harmful? High sugar content. Many fruit juices are loaded with added sugars, sometimes more than a can of soda. Lack of fiber. Unlike whole fruits, juices are stripped of their natural fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. Artificial additives. Some juices contain preservatives and artificial flavors that reduce their nutritional value. Healthier alternatives. Stick to whole fruits or freshly squeezed juices without added sugar. Better yet, make smoothies to retain the fiber. 4. Energy bars. Energy bars are often marketed as the perfect on-the-go snack for fitness enthusiasts. However, their health halo can be deceptive. Why it's harmful? High in sugar. Many energy bars contain as much sugar as candy bars, making them UNS3. Packaged fruit juices. Fruit juices are often promoted as a convenient way to consume your daily servings of fruits. However, the reality is that most packaged fruit juices are far from healthy. Why it's harmful? High sugar content. Many fruit juices are loaded with added sugars, sometimes more than a can of soda. Lack of fiber. Unlike whole fruits, juices are stripped of their natural fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. Artificial additives. Some juices contain preservatives and artificial flavors that reduce their nutritional value. Healthier alternatives. stick to whole fruits or freshly squeezed juices without added sugar. Better yet, make smoothies to retain the fiber. Suitable for regular consumption. Artificial ingredients. To enhance flavor and shelf life, manufacturers often add artificial preservatives, flavors, and sweeteners. Caloric overload. Despite their small size, energy bars can pack a caloric punch, often exceeding 300 calories per bar. Healthier alternatives. Make homemade energy bars using nuts, seeds, oats, and natural sweeteners like dates or honey. 5. Vegetable chips. Vegetable chips might seem like a healthy alternative to regular potato chips. After all, they're made from vegetables, right? Unfortunately, this is a classic case of misleading marketing. Why it's harmful. High in fat and sodium, many vegetable chips are fried and heavily salted, just like regular chips. Minimal vegetables. Some brands use vegetable powder or extracts rather than whole vegetables. Empty calories. They lack the fiber, vitamins, and minerals of fresh vegetables. Healthier alternatives. Choose baked vegetable chips with minimal seasoning or make your own at home using kale, sweet potatoes, or zucchini. 6. Diet sodas. Diet sodas are often promoted as a guilt-free alternative to regular sodas because they contain 0 calories. However, this calorie-free promise comes with a hidden cost to your health. Why it's harmful. Artificial sweeteners. Ingredients like aspartame and sucralose can disrupt gut health and increase sugar cravings. Weight gain. Studies suggest that diet sodas can contribute to weight gain due to their impact on appetite regulation. Health risks. Long-term consumption of diet sodas has been linked to metabolic syndrome and heart disease. Healthier alternatives. Drink sparkling water with a splash of fresh fruit juice or herbal teas for a refreshing, calorie-free beverage. 7. Gluten-free packaged foods. For those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, avoiding gluten is essential. However, the gluten-free label has been co-opted by the food industry to market highly processed and unhealthy products. Why it's harmful. Highly processed. Many gluten-free products are made with refined starches like rice flour, which have a high glycemic index. Added sugars. To compensate for flavor and texture, manufacturers often add sugar and unhealthy fats. Nutrient deficiency. Gluten-free products are often lower in fiber, vitamins, and minerals than their whole grain counterparts. Healthier alternatives. Focus on naturally gluten-free whole foods like quinoa, brown rice, and sweet potatoes. 8. Smoothies and acai bowls. Smoothies and acai bowls are Instagram-worthy and often marketed as nutrient-dense superfoods. While they can be healthy, they're often loaded with sugar and calories when purchased from stores or cafes. Why it's harmful. Excessive portions. Many servings are oversized and packed with high-sugar ingredients like fruit juices, sweetened yogurts, and honey. Toppings overload. Additions like granola, chocolate chips, and sweetened nut butters can significantly increase calorie content. Lack of protein. Many smoothies lack sufficient protein to balance the sugar content from fruits. Healthier alternatives. Make your own smoothies with unsweetened almond milk, leafy greens, a small portion of fruit, and a protein source like Greek yogurt or protein powder. 9. Salad dressings. A fresh salad is undeniably healthy, but its nutritional value can be undermined by the addition of store-bought dressings. Why it's harmful. High in sugar, many dressings contain added sugars to enhance flavor. Unhealthy fats. Low-quality oils like soybean or canola oil are common ingredients. Preservatives and additives. To extend shelf life, dressings often contain artificial ingredients. Healthier alternatives. Make your own salad dressings using olive oil, vinegar, mustard, and fresh herbs.